quiet. I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna try to clear the ear, I'm gonna try to come say nothing at all. You see me? But at the end of the day, when a situation reach too far, it just reach too far. You see me? So as you know, my father, yeah, Beenie man, Moses, yeah. Jaja. It's so heartbreaking that it ever come to this, but obviously me and him we're not gonna have no good ties because I feel like over the years I go through so much and I endure so much and I stay quiet and everybody feel like say, oh, him a this good father and him always take care of him, mute them and this and that. I not look no money from him, I not look nothing from him. You see me? Everybody will know me know that. Say me take care of myself and pay my own bills them. 100,000 pay for my rent. You see me? Never yet go for no handout or asking for nothing. You get me? I'm just know some have some good people in my corner. Mommy that are calling, you know, Auntie Keisha, like I'm just always there for me. My sister them and brother them always there for me. My father buy a house in 2000. Zin? And from them time they him say, yo, over the part because you have a 2-section dep on the land, you see me? Him say over the part there your part, man. Not for about that. Do what you want to do. So I never really pay no mind because I say, you know me, if you know me I always a hustler, me I always independent, I always live by myself, I always take care of myself, take care of my daughter and everybody around me. You see me? So recently recently him called me and I say, yo, you know say some squatters do for your part of the house. And I say, like me I forgot go up there then and do my thing, start do my thing. I'm calling back and I say, here we go daddy. Instead of me I pay rent. Remember say 10 months rent, 100,000, $1 million that you know. So me can use that for say. So I better me use it and say, alright, build up my place because him say my place. You see me? Him give me the go ahead for say, go and get the thing. Go up there now, whatever. Some little madness go on and reach out to him and I say, yo, right. The man do a big 360 for me, like literal 360. The man changing whole statement, everything. From him woman tell him say I dissing for you. What? Me talk the day before, you know that. And you say, yeah man, go and get your thing, you see me? And as soon as the woman say, yo, no, I saw we are do it. We are do it that way there. You change your mind and say, alright, I saw we are do it, Tisha. Nobody go up there. Nobody go up there. Nobody do nothing. The house is not yours anymore. We have some other thing to do on it. And we have some other no, storage. My part, him say my part gotta be storage. Remember say I did a pay my rent and alright. I never come to you, I never link you. You link me and say, yo, you don't know say squatters take over your part. I mean I say, what you say? I'm there say parent, I better go fix up my place and I say, yeah man go and get the thing. I say to the man say, cause when him say, oh, I tell you say don't go up there. I say, I tell you say don't go up there. I tell you say wait till me and babes come. And after I get in one little problem in me, I tell you say daddy watching this one, so come help me out. You know who have to help me out? Mommy. Carleen. When you know, sir, mommy, I call Carleen. Yeah. Separate apart from mother. She helped me out. That's why I will always call her mommy. Then I never see, like, you see, alright, you see when him said, you see to home in a shock, me I say, I was really like, again, like, what next woman come again, and a guy that steps them, bro, like, oh, that makes sense. Alright, you have 13 youth, Zin. Paying school fee is not being a father. Paying school fee is not being a father, because that is all you do for your kids. That's it. That alone. Remember say, I'm from, and I just know me, I tell you something, I don't want nothing from me, you know. A long time. Long time. If, like, some of my friends them depend on live and family them, so them know. So a long time me I tell you say, I don't want shit from you, bro. Just take care of my siblings them, brother. Cause I see the road where you go down, and I see it happen with me already. I am a father, bro. If you're there for me, I'm done sister, you're not there for me. So I say, here what I do. You're not for there for me. Just there for my brother and my sister then. Please me, I beg you. You see me? I always tell you that. I always tell you that. Crystal I go Yui. Mosiah I go Yui. All of them I go school. Everybody in a school. Everybody in a school. You go Sabuma alright now. From you go Sabuma out my Sima. Remember you have 13 pitney. You out my Sima and say Sima afi us. When we did there now, we here say we are work as employees. May I say our father restaurant. So you know true. Everybody know me. Me not watch no face. Me I say, alright, me I go and help him, build up him thing. You see me? Him come and say, Crystal and Mosiah come to and volunteer cause none of, alright, honestly none of we never did that work. When we hear say employee, we have to work as normal employee, we never did that work. We say, no, you're mad. And then we say, alright, our father business, Crystal, Mosiah, come in, we are going to work. You see me? Them say, we work as employee, we are going to work. Anyway, what did they know? And I work be a problem. She have a problem with everything. Everything she have a problem with. Everything she have a problem with. Zin? When we check from this, when we look now and I say, oh, alright, we'll call a meeting, yeah. We'll call a meeting. And I say, oh, we are issue the problem, them and I say, what are the problem? When we hear from the start now, him woman and female in our business. Me say to him brawling, I say, yo, so I'm to Mosiah. I'm to Crystal. You could have put them name in the business, you put you and your woman name in the business. You know, give no right, none at all, like. Never buy none of your car now. Never ever in a life. I have worried a man will buy all I'm picking them a car and buy him daughter who can't even drive a car. Never. See verse today. He never do nothing for nobody. Never. And then I don't want him come on the internet and talk about this and that and you see me? I don't want him do that. So, cause only know him lying. He will come and talk about bag of things. I can't believe, say, I really you. When me go through so much with you, I really me, yeah, do this again. Like, I can't believe, like, it didn't even make sense, bro. You see me? It don't make no sense. Like, I remember saying to myself to do that, and she said, no, when we come back, you change your mouth and say, that you tell me. So, oh, you fight for being king, or that you not fight for be a good father. I don't want to do anything for me, nothing from me at 13, no. From me at 14, me I tell you that. I go as far as tell you, say, if you have a will, and if you don't have one, take me a fight. And if me not depend it, like, and I should even have said that neither, because guess what? Are you and my father? You're supposed to do it. But guess what? Me not gonna go down the road there with you for say, oh, come here, big man. Me I take care of myself. I'm quite alright. My friend them can tell you, I'm good. My family them, rest of family them, I'm good. I'm good. But my cup overflowing now. Like, you don't even understand. Bro, you don't even understand, brother. Yeah, fight for be king. That's your fight final. I'm sure you, I never yet do this in a life. Never. But we say, you know, me will make some little slight comments and really. But I always show you love and I always show you respect and make the world feel like, say, that you are the greatest. And you are not. I make the world feel like, say, yo, you do everything.